Hey bro, welcome back to our channel. New to trading and wondering how to use Exness in 2025? In this video, I will give you a complete beginner's guide to the Exness trading platform from setting up your account to placing your first trading. Let's get started. What is Exness? Exness is a globally trusted forex and CFD trading platform. It lets you trade currencies, crypto, stocks, and more. It's known for fast withdrawals, tight spreads, and no hidden commissions. Visit exness.com, click on register, enter your email. First of all, enter your country name, like my country name is Bangladesh. Then enter your email, password from here, and click continue. Now go to your Gmail account for verification. Then open trading account, and you are and that's it. Now upload a valid ID or passport for verify your account. Submit proof of residence like a utility bill or bank statement. Verification is mandatory if you want to deposit and withdraw larger amounts. Inside your dashboard, click open new account. Choose between standard account, pro, raw spread, or zero for advanced users. Pick your trading platform, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Set your leverage and account currency. Click create account. In your personal area, click deposit. Choose a method like bank transfer, crypto, e-wallets. Before complete your profile first, enter the amount, confirm the payment. Start small, 10 to $50 until you get familiar with the platform. Download MetaTrader 4 or 5 for Exness or your app store. Login using account number, password, server details from your Exness dashboard. Once logged in, you will see chart area, market watch, navigator, panel, terminal, etc. Right click a currency pair, choose, click on new order, choose a lot size, stop loss, take profit, and click buy or sell. You can monitor and close your trades from the terminal section below. Use time frames 1 m, 5 m, or 1 hour, 1 day, etc. Apply indicators like moving average, RSI, MACD. Draw trade lines and patterns to predict movement. Don't just guess. Use technical analysis before every trade. Go back to the Exness dashboard. Click on Withdrawal tab. Choose method like Binance Pay, Retailer, Skrill, or mobile wallet. Then enter your amount and confirm. Most payments process in under 24 hours, often within minutes. And that's how you use Exness to start trading in 2025. From setting up your account to making your first trade, you are ready to go. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a deeper dive into strategy or MetaTrader tips next. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.